Hi guys, welcome to my channel Gorgeous Girls. I hope you all are good. So guys, आज की इस वीडियो में मैं आपको बताऊंगी कि हाउ टू अप्लाई आईलाइनर इन 6 डिफरेंट वेज। उसके लिए मैं ये लैक्मे का लिक्विड आईलाइनर यूज़ कर रही हूँ। गाइज ये आईलाइनर बहुत ज़्यादा अफोर्डेबल है और आप इसे इजीली अप्लाई कर सकते हो। तो विदाउट एनी फर्दर डिले लेट्स स्टार्ट द वीडियो।
First is to apply simple eyeliner. For that we have to follow our natural shape. And it's done. Second type is smooth eyeliner. For that we have to create a horizontal wing from outer corner of our eye. Like this, and that's it. Our third type is wing eyeliner. And for that, from the outer corner of our eye we will create a wing. And then just join it from the middle of our eye. And it's done. Now our fourth type of eyeliner is double wing eyeliner. For that we will create a wing just below our natural wing. But make sure to have a gap between them like this. That's it. Our fifth type of eyeliner is bold eyeliner. For that, we will increase the thickness of our simple eyeliner. And then from outer corner we will draw a small wing and then just join it to our natural eyeliner. Then we will fill it, and that's it. Guys, as you can see, this eyeliner is nearly up to our crease line. It's a very bold eyeliner look. Now our last look is drama. For that we are creating a wing like this. And then we are adding more layers to our simple eyeliner. And then we will join this wing. And fill it. And to make it more dramatic, we are making it more thicker and more darker. And the look is completed.
सो गाइज दैट इज़ इट फॉर टुडे। आपको कौन सा आईलाइनर लुक सबसे ज़्यादा पसंद आया आप मुझे कमेंट सेक्शन में ज़रूर बताइए। And thanks for watching my video. If you like my video, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon below to get notification of my new videos. Thank you. Bye bye.